So you have landed in Jakarta and now wish to head straight to Bandung, which is one of the most popular tourist destinations of Java Island. So in this video, I'll show you the fastest and most convenient way to travel from Soekarno Hatta International Airport, Jakarta, all the way to Bandung city using Southeast Asia's fastest train, the Whoosh. So once you have come out of the arrival gate, you have a couple of options. Option 1 is hire a taxi, which is going to charge you between 1.2 million IDR to 1.8 million IDR depending on the category of taxis. Traveling time will be around 3 to 4 hours depending on the traffic. The second option is a smarter way, combining a taxi ride with Indonesia's high-speed rail. This is the option I am going to talk about in this video. Taxi ride to Halim Whoosh Station. You can book a Grab taxi right outside the arrival area of the airport, which is super easy and convenient. The journey to Halim Station takes about 45 minutes to an hour depending on the traffic. And here we are at the Halim Station. This place feels more like an airport than a train station. The high-speed train here is called Whoosh and it connects Jakarta to Bandung in less than an hour. Pretty impressive, isn't it? This is Halim Station, railway station. The Whoosh Train Experience. Most of these seats are actually kind of empty. And just like that, we are on board. The Whoosh train can reach a speed of up to 350 km per hour, making it the fastest train in Southeast Asia. In less than 40 minutes, we are already approaching Padalarang Station, which is our first stop for Bandung. So in 40 minutes, we have reached to Padalarang Station. So here is something important. The high-speed train doesn't go directly into Bandung city. From Padalarang station, you need to take a short feeder train to reach to the main station. The feeder train is super convenient and the ticket cost is often included in the Whoosh ticket.
Dear passengers, in a few minutes, we will arrive at station.
In just about 20 minutes, we'll arrive at Bandung station, which is right in the heart of the city. And that's it from Jakarta Airport to Bandung in just around 2.5 hours. If you're visiting Indonesia, this is hands down the fastest and most efficient way to travel between these two cities. And here is a bonus tip. Taxi fare from Bandung station to any of the nearby hotel would cost you approximately 150,000 to 300,000 IDR, depending on the distance. Thank you for watching. Stay connected to watch more episodes of my travel adventure in Indonesia.